Howdy folks, this is Brian from SpookYouLaterz. Alright, check this out, man. I got this off of Amazon. It's a 4.5-foot water-filled inflatable. It's really nice. I'm impressed with this. It's about $39.99 on Amazon. It's new. Check this out, and it's heavy-duty PVC, so this is very thick. I mean, it's really thick. This is like, you know, those swimming pools. But what's really neat about this is I've never seen them before water-filled, so you don't have to have tie-down strings or anything like that. And it it kind of converts to like a, I don't know if you guys ever heard of weeble wobbles. They never fall down. And you could actually punch this like a punching bag, which my daughter will demonstrate in a minute. And it pops right back up, and it's really neat. And I don't think the wind's ever going to take it. So you fill up the bottom right down here with some water. There's a plug down there. You just blow some air in it, and then let the water fill it up, and then seal it. Hold on, I got a dog here. It's just really cool. I thought I'd share this with you guys. It's new on Amazon, and like I said, it's just like a swimming pool, PVC. This is what it looks like from the back. And check this out. Watch. Let me get this down, because it's quite heavy. When I added up water to it, it weighs about how much my daughter weighs. All right, you ready to beat this dude up? All right, let me just, oh, he's heavy, but he's heavy duty. Heavy duty, man. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come over here. Let me put him right there. Come and get him from the front so people can see. Oh my God. You got anger management. Whoa, he's gonna knock you out. So you want to know the durability of it? There you go. But I think if you had like 2 of these and you put them next to your table or something like that for Halloween, they're not gonna blow away. That's for sure. She's knocking the living shit out of this thing. Okay, that's good. Watch that TV there, fool. All right, hold on. Let me bring this here. Also, hold on one second. All right, so my wife thought she'd try to cheer me up while I was in New Mexico before I made it back, before they had to go on their trip to Disneyland, to order me something. She had already ordered this, so I haven't even seen what this is, but I got this package here. She got it off eBay, so I guess we could do that at the same time. But I have no clue what this is, but she thought this would make me happy. What the hell is this shit? What the fuck? My wife is nuts. But yeah, they're in Disneyland right now, Disney World. And she thought this would cheer me up. And she ordered me some kind of evil elf on the shelf looking troll dude. I mean, it's like a real elf on the shelf though. But somebody custom made something here. What is this? You see that Harper? He's got horns and everything. Look at this. And his big ears, troll ears. And this is like really good quality, whatever they did right here. This is really a great modification. But that looks devilish like all hello. I'm coming to get you this Christmas, little girl.
Hi.
Have you been bad or good?
Good.
Bullshit.
I've been bad.
Yes, you have.
I'm gonna make him walk.
All right, hold on. Let me make him walk. Once again, this is Brian from SpookYouLaterz. Thanks for all your condolences, your thoughts and prayers. I really appreciate that. It's really heartfelt. But my mom wants me to continue doing what I do best. She loves watching my videos, and that's what I'll keep on doing. I'll put the link down in the video description for that if y'all want to get your very own. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Yep, I did say comment because you could comment. She's gonna try to carry this. It's heavy, so now you know how much you weigh when we have to carry your butt. You got knocked out. All right, peace out, guys.